So we have to think over, therefore there is a restriction in the production of this the afim. In the same way, what is the resource of this the narcotic, there must be restriction for the production of the raw material, and it should not be a sale in the market which is unauthorized. And then when we know it is this the harmful product, harmful drugs, it is the drug abuse, therefore there must be the use only in the medicinal purposes. Because everything it is useful when we are using this the in a wise way for the beneficial of this the human being. Otherwise it is harmful to the human body.
So people like breaking rules, it will make it banned, then people will be more interested in breaking it, will be more curious in taking it.
You see that is this due to this the any factor there is a stress and tension which carries by this the human being. And you see during that situation they are taking this the drugs only for getting the temporary relief from this the stress and tension. Otherwise it is not the permanent cure.
Sir, like, what do you think? Is it reasonable to an extent that taking drug, narcotic consumption as their so-called stress management remedy, is it reasonable? Because at long-term effect is very bad.
It is very bad. It is not reasonable. You see that in this on this the cigarette packet it is written it is poisonous. Still we are using this the taking. For what purpose? So that is this as this the promoter. It promote to the human being and it encourage to the human being for this the another benefit. So that is it is assumed that we are getting this the energy, or that is this the encouragement for doing this the another benefit. For this the it encourage for this the study, but actually it is not. In the same way the other addict too. So therefore that is the, it should not be, there must be the ban. But you see, though there is a ban, but as in case of this the adulteration, the 10% adulteration allowed by the government, and it is a type of this the encouragement to this the business persons. So in addition to the 10%, they are adding this the 20%, 25% and more also, which is harmful to the human being. It should not be. And therefore there must be the publicity for this the to this the human being for the adverse effect on the human body.
So far we have talked about illegal drugs, which are banned and which are severely affecting body and which have a very disastrous effect. But let's talk about alcohol. It is widely consumed. It is license are also given to those who are consuming and those who are producing it.
Yes.
But as the fact says, 1.8 million persons are dying due to alcohol consumption per annum, and on an average, world average, 12.5 years is the average age of alcohol consumption. Teens are the tide of the teens is going towards addiction habits of alcohol. So, in your opinion, how can parents prevent their children from this evil before it becomes too late?
You see that is this in case of the alcohol, it is beneficial as well as this the harmful. Alcohol, that is when we use in the reasonable amounts, as we use in the preparation of the various type of this the liquid medicine.
Syrups.
So this all syrups, alcohol is there, and you see that is this it acts as this the when we fermented food,
Yes.
usually taking by these the peoples, those who are staying in Chhattisgarh.
Yes.
Chhattisgarh, fermented food are taking,
Yes,
and you
sir.
know that is the result of the fermentation is nothing but it is this the formation of this the alcohol. And in a reasonable amount, when we are taking this the alcohol as a medicine, it is not harmful. But when you use excess, as you see, the everything excess, use of excess, it is harmful to the human being. It should not be. It must be avoided.
So actually,
And,
we can ban.
and
we can
you
ban.
know that in this, in case of this, the army person, So it is allowed.
So in cold area.
In cold areas, and they are away from the families, and the situation, the atmosphere created in that locality in such a way, it is compulsory for using the alcohol for the army person, and license is there, and government itself providing the liquor to the army person.
Sir, we have studied and we have searched also. There are many facts and figures which show that yes, alcohol, all type of drugs, illegal drugs, narcotics consumption leads to death. There are a number of people, millions
Yes,
of
sir.
people who are dying every day just because of this.
Yes, yes.
But it has economic aspect also. Keeping in mind all the negative effects of drugs and its effects, if we would ban drugs, its production and its trade, it would severely affect the world economy. So, is there any midway which we can combat both the problems, economic effect and the health effect?
It is the third largest trade in the globe.
You see that in that way, no doubt the first we know it is harmful to the human body, and you know that is this the human being are sometimes that is that in nature they don't have the dare to say their reality to the human being are their words, are the some persons being the junior they never expose the situation and fact to their seniors, but
elders.
while using the alcohol, that is the openly they say what is what exposely, then we will came to know what is the fact. So what happened with the person who used the alcohol? So in that case, we have to counsel the person who is addict to the drug. Counseling it is must.